Alright guys, we are very excited for today's video because it's a very special announcement for a very special release. Fetty, hammer. What? Somewhere on this box it says, Aaron and Fetty skate this. He's got the strength of 1,000 men. What? Fallout skateboard. Ah, la 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 la.
Hi Luke.
I don't get it.
Wow, look at that. This is the Braille logo in Fallout currency. If you guys are not familiar with Fallout, it is a post-apocalyptic role-playing game, and the currency in the game is bottle caps. So this is not a sponsored video, but we decided to do something really nice for you guys because we love you and we appreciate every single like, view, subscribe, notification squad, etc. So for the notification squad for this video, we are going to pick the best comment. You gotta have your hashtag notification squad in your comment. You gotta have your notifications turned on. You gotta like and share this video, and we are going to choose one of you, and we are going to buy you the Fallout game on the console of your choice, of course. So we'll choose the winner. You guys let us know what console you have, and we will buy you the game. So let's go. Oh, they're supposed to guess how many bottle caps are on the board. How many bottle caps are on the board? Front and back. Front and back. Let's go.
Tough.
I saw a good joke the other day online, and I was like, oh, I should tell this to Gabe when I come back, and then I forgot it.
Dang, you let
I'll
me
tell
down.
you some good jokes.
I want a joke.
What did the green grape say to the purple grape? Breathe!
Oh.
He's holding his breath. He's purple. Got him.
Wow.
Yeah, but the other grape is green. That's not healthy either.
Wow, look at this.
Just show the
Bottle
short
caps.
sale back.
Game of skate. I ain't scared of you guys. Fetty's first. Daniel second. Lucas third. I'm left.
Oh! That joke was the bomb! Fetty, you're up.
You don't got this. You got nothing.
We're gonna have a real big fallout of friends after this video's over.
These guys. Okay, Luke, it's your go. Go ahead.
I wonder what the Vegas odds are. I don't know if it's the glue or the bottle clap.
The bottle clap?
The bottle clap, the caps.
What are you talking about?
It's slippery. Feel it. Just stand on it. Slippery.
Wussy.
Oh, it's slippery. Oh, I can't do any tricks. Oh, let's play full park. Got him. Yeah.
Hardcore mode. Playing hardcore mode.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
Let's go. Hardcore mode. I ain't scared. Dang it, I'm getting an S. I love how they decided it's hardcore mode after I did an ollie.
I know.
I don't know. I could mess this up pretty easily.
Mess it up. Oh no!
I try to play it safe.
I'm about to drop the nuclear bomb on these fools. Note to self, if you ever want grip tape, do not use bottle caps.
Disappointed I missed that ollie.
I'm disappointed in you.
Oh yeah! Go ahead, Fetty. Ain't scared, ain't scared. In like 5 seconds, they're gonna be doing like the hardest tricks.
Oh yeah. Second you start talking crap to Fetty, it's over.
I know, I should probably just talk crap to Luke.
What's up?
What? What's up? Yeah, I seen that ollie on flat ground. It was really well played.
I didn't know. I thought we were playing full park, not flat ground.
Oh, God. Oh. He almost fell off 13 times.
That's an S.
Oh, no.
Joke's on you. Aaron!
Game over. Hardcore mode. Let's go, boys.
Harder than you think.
Wait. Luke, don't mess this up.
When I rolled off, the board literally went like that, and I almost fell.
Whoa!
The second we get Luke out, then we'll play hardcore mode.
I think you forgot that there's bottle caps on the bottom.
No, I didn't.
What were you trying?
What was that gazelle?
It's like a little bouncing rabbit of energy.
I'm gonna roll into the balloons.
You don't roll in. We're not rolling in.
Oh, see, this is for all the mess you talk to Luke.
Weak. Let's roll in. I rolled in just as much as he rolled in.
Aaron, I'll give you a rebate. Yeah! Oh!
My turn?
Yeah. Oh! At the skate park. What? Why are you so violent?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh!
Nobody's got this kickflip. Nobody.
Wait. Oh my God!
If they can't land it, there's no chance.
There's always a chance. Hey. Compose yourself.
There's a couple things I could do here. A manual, play it safe.
I like that
I could
idea.
do a fly ground tray revert, play it extra safe.
Do a manual.
Oh! Over the block!
Doesn't even matter.
What? Man, I was about to say nobody's gonna get this, and then he got it. Hardcore
You know
mode.
who's definitely not getting it? Uzi.
Just gave you the worst look I've ever seen him give anyone. Prove us wrong,
Now he's
Uzi.
gonna try really hard. and he's
Prove us
gonna
wrong.
mess up. Like some people get mad and it sucks when Uzi is salty. It's the best.
Okay, we'll give you an extra letter. Go ahead. Oh! I knew I shouldn't have tried that.
How are you doing, brother?
Brother, I'm offended by your disbelief in me, so I'm gonna do good now.
Funny, like the board is heavy and slippery, but when you start skating, it's actually not that bad. Hardcore mode, boys. Let's go.
Hardcore mode still in play.
He really went for that.
Maybe I should.
Let's go, boys.
He has one more try.
Uzi's going for the 3-stair.
Since I'm out, I'll be Fetty's mentor.
Thanks.
So close, yet so far away.
Your fall left the earth shaking like a nuke.
The board is deadly, I'm telling you. Deja vu all over again. Do I try to play it safe or go all out?
Land it.
You gotta land that perfect, otherwise you dead. $10 says Fetty don't got this one.
I think you got this one.
No.
No.
I got no
$10.
$10 says Uzi Walker don't got this one.
You got me there. Hey Uzi, you got it!
Going up to it, I'm like, I do tray flips of this all the time. Just put my feet in the same position. And then I'm like, they're not in the same position.
You want me to cheat and do a nose manual?
No way.
I should have bet the 10. I'm to show these boys how to skate the stairs.
All right, y'all, let's land some tricks here, fellas. No, I worry about you sometimes.
I can never get the right speed for this side.
It's like watching a giraffe fall.
If a gazelle skateboarded.
I'm gonna break it.
Hold on. I heard him laughing when I was rolling up. I should get another try.
Nobody can land a trick. Hardcore mode.
Not hardcore mode, because Uzi's gonna mess this up. Letter!
I can do this.
Yeah, one more try.
That was the best.
It's all right, man. You tried.
I was so close.
What? We have a missile launch. It was so rocket that we have liftoff.
I think we're both out on this one.
You got this right here. Uzi, I thought you've been working on your heel flips.
I've been trying hard skating, but that board doesn't have any grip, so I can't really do that much.
Excuses.
That's it. Now it's war. A cold war.
That was messed up.
Just need some grip tape and I could have had it.
Dirty.
Mast.
Yes. Why?
Aaron, what do you need to do, man?
I always confuse the angle and the speed. You need to get the speed and the angle right. Don't kick.
Oh, right in your face,
I
too.
mean, I guess I would count that.
Thanks. He's really bombing this try. Uh-oh. Throw it. I know you want to.
No, I want to land it.
Oh.
Thank you. Remember, Notification Squad, you guys are winning a free game. So leave it in the comments below. Make sure that your notifications are turned on, you're subscribed, you like the video, and you have shared the video. All of those things with your comment, and we will choose thy winner. You have to guess how many bottle caps are on both sides of this board. So thank you again. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. You like it?
What is that?
Ah!